Today, October the 2nd, 2014. I'm going to try to clean my washer. My washer is a Maytag Performa with a agitator here. Because it's, I think it's kind of dirty for a washer. Because the dirt there, and there's some dirt there. And I've never cleaned the tube inside, so I'm trying to clean the washer, dismantle everything and try to clean it. Okay, the first thing we have to do is to remove the top. No, that's not the first thing. The first thing we have to do is to remove the power. My power is at the back, behind the washer, so I have to remove the power cable. I have to remove the washer out a little bit. Okay. Yeah, the power is removed. Now we can do whatever we want. Okay, to remove the top, we need a putty knife or something very thin to get into the gap here, because there are two clips, one is here, one is there, to hold the cover. Okay, I'll record from another angle. Okay, one clip is right here. You use a putty knife. Just push in. Oh, you can use a small screwdriver, as long as you can find the correct location. Because the putty knife is wider, so push in. You can feel the resistance here. Lift. See, here is the clip, and the other side. It's right here. Yeah, I can see the clip right here. Push, lift. Now the cover is open. Yeah. Okay, these two clips are the clips I was releasing with the putty knife. Just push it from here to release this clip. Okay, next thing you want to do is to remove this cup. It's a softener cup. It's usually clipped in. Just pop it off. Yeah, it's popped off. See? So it's pretty dirty. And next thing you want to do, because I want to remove the inner tube and clean the space between the inner tube and the outer tube. So I need to remove this agitator. This agitator, there's the bolt inside. The bolt is probably 7/16. We'll try. Okay, after a few tries, I found out the bolt inside the agitator is not 7/16. The bolt is 1/2 inch. So you need a 1/2 inch socket with an extension because it's deep inside. Okay, with a 3/6 drive. Just move it like this. loosen. Remove this part. Remove this part from this shaft too. See, it's kind of yellow already. Okay, this is what it is. What it is like below this agitator. It's kind of yellow. With 4 bolts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after removing these 4 bolts, you can remove this inner tube. It's all kinds of dirt. It's pretty dirty actually. This washing machine also needs to be cleaned periodically. Okay, I have already removed one of the bolts here because of the confined space. I was trying to use my wrench, but I was not able to do it. So I use my impact. Those bolts are also 1/2 inch. Next thing you want to do is actually you should make a mark because there are 8 clips on the side of the tube to clip the top cover on the outer tube. You need to remove the clip, but you should make a mark so that you put it back where it was. I was trying to avoid removing this front cover. Although it's not difficult, there are two screws. But now I have to remove it. I think I have to remove this because I need to make a mark on the side of outer tube to align this cover and the outer tube. Okay, it's only 2 screws here, small screws. Okay, it is 8 millimeters. Oh, by the way, after you open this top cover, I suggest you to wear gloves because it has a sharp edge here on the side. So when you work on when the top cover is open, you're exposed. The sharp edge are exposed. So you better wear gloves. Cover is open. There are 2 small clips at the bottom and 2 small screws on top to hold this front cover. Now you can remove it completely. Okay, the front ring, the front cover is removed. Look at the rings. Those are the dirty marks because the water. I think the water usually goes up to here, so the dirty stuff are not removed from the upper part of the tube. The lower part is okay, but the upper part is very dirty. It's been quite a few years a lot of years that this one was not cleaned. Okay, I'll make a mark so that I put it back where it was. This masking tape, put it here, so that I can remove it, no problem. Okay, these two masking tapes are aligned. Okay. And those clips, just one example, those clips you can just pop it out like this. You have to push on the top, on this side, push on it to release this clip. I'll show you. Okay, that's fine. Okay, done. And it's released. And also this one, you press on the top. Press on the top to release the tension, and then you do the same thing on the clips around the top. Okay, the cover, the top part of the tube is removed, and the gap where there's no water touched is pretty dirty on the side, so also needs to be cleaned. Okay, after the top part is removed, the next thing to do is to remove the inner tube. So just wiggle it. Just wiggle it, it'll come out. Okay, comes out. It's not as dirty as I expected, but still, there's something, some dirt around it. Also, for the outside of the inner tube, the side needs to be cleaned too. It's pretty dirty, actually. Clean it. Just use clean water with this kind of sponge. You can put some vinegar, white vinegar, into the water, but I don't have any, so I'll use the clean water. And with some easy dirt, I'll use the sponge. With some tough dirt, I'll use the other side. It goes up. See? It's going off the dirt. See, it's gone. It's not that difficult. So my suggestion is that after you do your mechanical cleaning like this, if you're not, because mechanical cleaning is not thorough, you cannot clean everything inside. So after you do your mechanical cleaning, you go buy some vinegar, put hot water inside. I mean, after you assemble everything, put hot water inside, and then pour vinegar, like 2 liters of vinegar, white vinegar, and just run the full cycle to clean the rest. And then use cold water to rinse like twice, so that to clean everything. But the mechanical cleaning, manual cleaning is pretty efficient. Gone. Okay, right now I've cleaned the most part of the outer tube, inside of the outer tube. It's already pretty clean now, and those are the water, and the tube under the water is pretty clean. But, I need to run a cycle to drain this water out. But there's a lot of rig, so your best friend now is a toothbrush. So use the toothbrush to clean this part. See? It works great. See? Yeah, use toothbrush. Okay, I want to show you this part. This is the top part that you can put your softener inside in this hole. That's the top part of the agitator. I removed this one and cleaned it as much as I can. I thought it was very clean, but I found out that this part can be removed. Bottom part can be removed. I don't know about your model, but my model, I noticed this notch and this notch. So this bottom part can be removed. So I removed it. I just turn it and it pops out. I've already cleaned it, but man, if you have the same structure as mine, you should remove this part and clean it again. It was dirty inside. It was really dirty inside. I don't want to because it's cleaned already, so you don't see. But trust me, use your imagination. It was very dirty inside. So if you have the same structure on this part, which you can put softener in, open this and clean it again. Okay, I have cleaned all the parts as much as possible. It took me around 3 hours to clean last night, so I didn't finish yesterday. So this is the inner tube. It's already cleaned. The agitator part, they're cleaned inside out. They were pretty dirty before. Now what I'm going to do is to clean the sides of the washing machine. That's the same thing. Wow. See, that's the reason why you need to wear gloves. It's open. It's already open. The scratch. There's a screw pointing inwards here. I don't know if you can see. It's right here. The sharp point. So I was wiping this thing, and my glove is open, but I have no scratch on my skin. That's why you need to wear those gloves. And next thing I'm going to do is to remove these two screws so that I can remove the door. Remove this door. To remove these two hold on clips so that the door is removed and I can clean the corner. Okay, right now the corners are all cleaned, and also the this part was dirty. This is cleaned. There's some still some dirty water inside. What next thing you're gonna do is to put back everything and rinse and until it's clean. You can put some vinegar too. So that's it.